In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain Webflow, full guide. If you're moving from a temporary Webflow domain to your own branded address, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to look for, so nothing feels hidden or confusing. Start by opening Webflow in your browser and signing into your account. From there, head to the dashboard. This is your home base where all of your sites live. Click into the site you want to connect to a custom domain so we're working in the right place. If you're in a workspace view, make sure you've switched to the specific site's area before continuing. With that site selected, open its settings and go to the Publishing section. Depending on your layout, you'll see Publishing in the navigation for the site settings. Click it to load the page where Webflow centralizes everything related to going live, including custom domains and publish controls. On the Publishing page, scroll until you see the area for domains. You'll notice a clear note that says something along the lines of, once you have a site plan, you can add your domain or buy a new one. That message is important. Webflow requires an active site plan to unlock the custom domain fields and publish your site to a non-Webflow URL. If you don't see input fields yet, it simply means the plan isn't active on this site. If you want additional guidance straight from Webflow, click the link labeled Learn How to Set Up Custom Domain Hosting. This opens Webflow's official documentation in a new tab. It's a great companion because it explains what you'll see on screen, outlines the connection flow, and provides troubleshooting checks if something doesn't publish right away. Keep your Publishing tab open while you read the guide so you can reference both at once. A quick bit of context while you're here. Connecting a custom domain typically involves confirming ownership with your domain provider and letting DNS changes propagate across the internet. That propagation period can take some time, so don't worry if updates aren't instant. The Webflow guide will show you exactly what needs to be in place and how to verify that everything is recognized. Once your site plan is active, you'll return to this same Publishing page to connect your domain, choose which version will be primary, and publish. If you don't already own a domain, you'll also see the option to buy one directly from this area. That's the full path inside Webflow. Go to the dashboard, open your site, head into Publishing, review the note about site plans, and use the Learn How to Set Up Custom Domain Hosting link for detailed instructions. Follow along there, give DNS a little time to settle, and you'll see your site live on your custom address.